Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 10 update error code is 0x80070157. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of the Windows, go to your update and security, go to your troubleshoot, go to your additional troubleshooter, select a Windows update and click on run the troubleshooter. It's required of a few seconds or a minute to detecting the problems and resolve itself. Close it. The second method is that in the search box type as services, right click run as administrator, find out a Windows update, open it and make sure that it select automatic and start. Click on apply and OK button and close it. The third method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. Now type a command is net stop space bits. Now type a command is net space stop space CRYPTSVC and press enter. After that, type a command is REN space C / Windows / software distribution space software distribution .old and press enter. After that, type a once command is REN run C / Windows / system32 / catroot2 space catroot2.old and press enter. After doing this, type a command is net start WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net start space bits. Type a command is net space start space CRYPTSVC and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer, and I am sure that after doing this that your problem will fix. But if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator and now type a command is sfc space / scan now and press enter. After doing this, that this procedure will be started and it's required of a few minutes to complete the process. Now after that, type a command is dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space restore health and press enter. I think wrong. dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space restore help and press enter. Type exit to exit the command prompt and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second last fifth method. The fifth method is that go to your any browser and type a Windows 10 download. Click on a first link, Microsoft link is Windows 10 down disk image. Scroll down and click on a download tools. Now click on save button and downloading will be started, and it's required of a few seconds to download the file. After that, open it. Click on accept button. Select upgrade this PC now and click on the next button. When you click on the next button, it's required of a few hours to complete the process. After completing that, your computer automatically restart and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.